Hi everyone, Anna Marie here. Today I'm reviewing the Craft Express 110 volt tumbler heat press. This press is ideal for printing on any mug or tumbler up to 30 ounces, whether you're doing sublimation printing or vinyl. Once you've printed off your design and you're ready to press, the first thing you should do is check your settings. To set it, you press the set button, and where it says SP, that would be your temperature. Right now I have it set for Fahrenheit and 385 degrees. To adjust the temperature, press the up or down arrows until you get to the parameter that you want. Then press set again to bring up the time, which we have set to 60 seconds. Once you have the settings that you want, press set again and it's all ready to go. To adjust the pressure, there are two knobs on the back of the press. You don't want to have so much pressure on your tumbler that you're going to leave marks from the paper. So what you want to do is gradually back it off until you can easily close it. Once the press is closed, the timer automatically starts and then it will beep when it's done. We'll rotate the tumbler afterwards and then press it for another 30 seconds. The element doesn't get tight enough where it joins, so this just helps to make sure the tumbler is pressed evenly. Take the tumbler out of the press and peel the tape and paper off. Remember to wear heat gloves though. And there you have it! This Craft Express tumbler press is so easy to use.